Are you lost in the bush? With this fantastic yet simple device, you can get back with the others in no time.
Hark! I hear an air horn. My little boy. He may be in danger.
Oh, I hope I'm nearly there. My poor boy. My darling boy. I thought I heard an air horn.
Toilet paper, please.
Maybe that toot wasn't an air horn after all. You mean you dragged me all the way up here for some toilet paper?
Yes?
Anything for you, my sweetheart.
Thank you.
I'm his mum.
Hello?
Hello, your computer has a terrible virus in it. You must give me your password immediately.
Of course I'll give you my password. I'll be back with you in a second. Okay, I've got my password. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, listen closely.
Oh my goodness gracious, what happened? I'm not hearing anything.
Feel free to call back anytime.
What? What did you say? I can't hear you.
I won't be hearing from you anytime soon. Are you tired of cyclists not using their bike bell? This time, they are not going to frighten you because it is your turn to frighten them with this fantastic device. That is the normal state of affairs. But now, it's time for some revenge. Don't you find it really annoying when people celebrate New Year slightly off time and everyone should celebrate it the real time? Well, here's the solution. Here's the problem, they're celebrating it 5 minutes at a time.
2, 1...